Alaya. Ka Tamasa Strawberry Festival ba arsngi ka barakhe ya ka agro-tourism bat ka roy ka par hanong kandong la play paj ba hakasngi thoding da udisi ka West Garo Hills u Vibhor Agarwal hamadan yelekai direct chigre. Bala penlong da ka Meghalayan Age Limited harengkat katanat tourism bat katanat agriculture and farmers welfare jong ka jilla kane ka Tamasa ka thmu ban kintiu ya ka jingrep strawberry bat ban kirshan ya ki nongrep ha kane ka than. Kathera CH Marak DHO kalapen pau ya ka jingkio state jong ka kamrep strawberry ha kane ka than da ka baai khuble ya ka sarkar halor ka jingkirshan jong ka ban pen yar ya kane ka kam. Haba ay jingkren u Vibhor Agarwal ula banjur ya ka jingla ban yo ya ka kot na ka jingrep ya uso strawberry bat ka jingkring jong u ya ka kam jingok kai perthei. Ha kane ka Tamasa kaladon ka jingile kai kum ka jingkhet ya uso strawberry ka jing shong kulai bat ka jingnya cycle kabla kring ya ki nong wan jingok kai na keleng ka sorba.
Starting the strawberry cultivation here, it's a very unique, it's a very important initiative on the part of horticulture department that can go a very long way in ensuring that the people here have livelihoods. The people here have more avenues of ensuring of utilizing their potential, of utilizing the potential of the soil of the earth that is there.